Welcome to BVG Automotive. Here we're checking out this 2019 SEAT Ateca. Let's take a closer look. On the front, it's got sharp LED headlights and a bold grille. Those 19-inch wheels give it a sporty look, and the fog lights add extra style. From the side, you'll notice the stylish 19-inch alloy wheels and sleek roof rails, adding to its modern SUV appeal. The large doors provide easy access for passengers, while the sharp body lines highlight its aerodynamic design. At the back, the Cupra Ateca features signature LED taillights, a sporty rear spoiler, and quad exhaust tips that hint at the power under the hood. The electric-powered tailgate makes loading and unloading effortless. Registered in December 2019, this Cupra Ateca has had just 2 owners and comes with a full service history. It includes a free 12-month MOT, a 3-month warranty, and an HPI Clear certificate for peace of mind. Stepping inside, the door panels includes built-in speakers and controls for windows and mirrors. The Alcantara sports seats offer a premium feel with great comfort and support for both driver and passengers. The flat-bottom steering wheel adds a sporty touch with multi-function controls for media, cruise, and hands-free use. The center console features a 360-degree camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and a premium sound system for a connected drive. The back seats offer plenty of legroom with Alcantara upholstery, providing comfort and a premium feel for passengers. The boot is spacious with a wide opening, making loading and unloading easy, complemented by the power-operated tailgate for added convenience. For more information, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call our sales team on 0161 399 1629, quoting registration YS69YWP.